Hello friends! Have you ever noticed your car suddenly accelerating on its own or feeling sluggish when pressing the gas pedal? Maybe the check engine light is on and when you scan it, you get code P0228. What does this mean? Could it be a throttle issue or an electrical fault? Don't worry. Today we'll break it down and fix this problem step by step. P0228 stands for Throttle Pedal Position Sensor Switch C Circuit High Input. This means the Engine Control Module, ECM, is detecting a voltage higher than expected from the Throttle Position Sensor, TPS, or Accelerator Pedal Position Sensor, APP. This incorrect signal can cause sudden acceleration, limp mode, or throttle failure. Symptoms of P0228: check engine light is on, unresponsive or sluggish throttle response, sudden acceleration or engine revving on its own, limp mode, which means limited power to prevent damage, hesitation, rough idling, or even engine stalling. If left unfixed, this issue can make driving unsafe and unpredictable. To diagnose and fix P0228, we need to locate the key components: throttle position sensor or TPS, which is mounted on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. The accelerator pedal position sensor, or APP, is attached to the accelerator pedal inside the driver's footwell. Then we have the throttle body and wiring harness, so inspect the wiring connections and connectors for any damage or corrosion. Finally, the engine control module, or ECM/PCM, is usually located in the engine bay or under the dashboard. If any of these components send incorrect voltage signals, the ECM will trigger P0228. There are several common causes of P0228. Firstly, a faulty throttle position sensor or TPS. If the TPS fails or sends too much voltage, the ECM gets incorrect data. Secondly, a defective accelerator pedal position sensor or APP. A bad app sensor can cause erratic throttle behavior or limp mode. Thirdly, wiring issues. Corroded, frayed, or shorted wires can send high voltage signals to the ECM. Fourthly, a sticking throttle body. A dirty or malfunctioning throttle body can interfere with sensor readings. And lastly, an ECM malfunction. In rare cases, a failing ECM can misinterpret sensor signals, causing the P0228 error. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing P0228. Step 1. Inspect the throttle position sensor or TPS, and replace it if it's faulty. Step 2. Check the accelerator pedal position sensor or APP for damage and replace it if needed. Step 3. Examine all wiring and connectors related to the throttle system. Repair or replace any burnt, frayed, or corroded wires. Step 4. Clean the throttle body to remove any carbon buildup that might be causing erratic readings. And Step 5. Reset the ECM with an obd2 scanner and take a test drive to confirm the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0228 can lead to sudden acceleration, poor throttle response, or even limp mode, making your car unsafe. Fixing this issue ensures smooth performance, better fuel efficiency, and a safer driving experience. If you're unsure, visit a trusted mechanic for further diagnosis. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0165, O2 sensor circuit slow response, bank 2, sensor 3, and P0166. O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 2, sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.